You are worthy. You are enough. Let this song lift you and remind you of the power within you.
I wake up shining, heart wide open, grateful for the magic that's already in motion. Money flows, love grows, I glow. Yeah, I know. The universe said yes, and I said, let's go. Abundance awakens when gratitude speaks. I'm dancing in blessings week after week. Every little thank you opens a door. And honey, I'm ready for more and more. I sparkle with joy, I radiate peace. Every day my riches and power increase. I see it, I feel it, it's already mine. My body's divine, my diamond's divine. Gratitude is my game, abundance is my name. I'm not waiting on miracles, I am the flame. Abundance awakens, I'm living the truth. I'm fierce, I'm thankful, I'm living the proof. The more I praise, the more I rise. Abundance is here, and I claim the prize. So thank you, thank you, thank you again. This life I live, it's my sweet, sacred win. Thanks for watching, I love you. Yeah, I can make a new choreography with that. Oh, I don't chase, I attract. Let the energy flow like the queen on her throne. I already know I'm the spark, the flame, the fire in their eyes. They reach, they crave, but I am the prize. Intelligent, sharp like the edge of a blade. Every move I make is a power play. Grace in my stride, wisdom in my mind. I build the kind of life I dreamed I'd find. I've become the one I look up to, strong and untouchable is what I do. Radiating power, confidence so high. I'm not just living, I'm learning to fly. Man-made desire, but I define me. Oh, here it is. Hold it. Let me see if I can get it back where it was. So, a little break. I was checking out the beautiful lights, and they have the adapter, so I don't have a way to charge the speaker right now. I'd rather keep the lights. So maybe we can continue with the amazing motivational music that is all positive vibes. It's a manifestation song for women, okay? But you might enjoy just watching me enjoy it and enjoy it. What? Right. Watching me dance it and interpret it and just feel it in my body. And cheers to you, okay? There's 2 glasses, so one is for you, one is for me. Uno para ti, uno para mí. So effing good. Not supposed to say bad words, but here we were. Okay, so let's raise the volume. All right, let's go. Here it was here. Just a few. I'm gonna rewind it a tiny bit. I don't know it exactly by heart. It's just like casi me la sé de memoria, pero todavía no. Okay, ready? Go. They reach, they crave, but I am the prize. Intelligent, sharp like the edge of a blade. Every move I make is a power play. Grace in my stride, wisdom in my mind. I build the kind of life I dreamed I'd find. become the woman look up to, strong and untouchable. It's what I do, radiating power, confidence so high. I'm not just living, I'm learning to fly. Then they desire, but I define me, unstoppable force, wild and free. I've become the woman I look up to, and I'm loving every shade of truth. Every scar, every tear, carve me into gold. Turn my fears into stories untold. I exude power like the stars at night, a beacon of strength and unstoppable light. I don't bend for love, I stand tall in my glow. The respect I demand is the respect they show. I've risen above what I once left behind, becoming the hero I don't know, guys, if you'd like one like that for men, they should make one for men too. Like the man that you can be, strong and untouchable. It works for both of us, men and women. I'm learning to fly. I define me. Oh, I put some makeup. That's nice. Every step I take on my own terms. That forever burns. I'll use the legend, the one they admire. But my biggest fan is the woman in the mirror. Almost makes me cry. Because you can't rely on other people to validate you. Be your own hero, my friend. Untouchable is what I do. Confidence so high. I'm not just living, I'm learning to fly. But I'm defining unstoppable force. Wild and free. I've become the woman I look up to. And I'm loving every shade of I don't chase, I attract. I hold my own. A masterpiece crafted, fully grown. All right. I saw you clear before we met. That's the man I want. With a gentle soul. Wow. You leave, you shine. Everything I asked is mine. I called in your love. I knew you'd come. I'm not gonna sing it, but I do sing it in the shower or wherever I am. I mean, not right now. I get sensitive too. I am whole. We can be single and amazing and happy, but like if you're gonna be with a partner, with your love, I hope that it's a good relationship, that it's healthy and happy. Otherwise, what for? Okay, a little bit more while I stretch. I pictured a love that stands so true, a steady heart, and it led me to you. You honor me with every word, your actions louder than I've ever heard. You build me up, you keep me strong. Right beside you, where I belong. Your love's my shelter, calm and bright. The dream I held every night. I called in your love. I knew you'd come.